Who's ready for a Halloween card? Hi guys, it's Dee from Sarah Designs, and today we're going to do a really quick card. We're going to make a Halloween card using this stamp set we got from Temu. We're using this die set we got from Temu. Another die set we got from Temu, if I can find it. These two border dies we got from Temu. And some Distress Oxides. And what else we're going to use? Some of these, which I've already used, alcohol markers or Spectrum Noir. So we're going to do it real quick, guys. Stay tuned. Let's get to it. First things first is I have a 110-pound cardstock here. It's cut at 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I scored it down the middle. It's going to be our card base. I do like to round my corners, so we're going to use a Crop-A-Dile. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch today. Round off that corner. Go around and do the same thing throughout. That's done. Apparently I need to empty my Crop-A-Dile. Alright. I think I want to use the Distress Oxides to make a border around here. So let's get a piece of paper to protect our surface. Normally I would use my glass mat, but that puts a glare on here worse than what you're already getting from my ring light. So we're not doing that today. I'm just going to use regular loose leaf paper. Do they even call it that anymore? I don't know. That's what I call it. All right, first thing we're going to use is Spice Marmalade. I am using the Dome Blender that we got from Temu, and I'm just going to roughly go around the edges here to get some color down. It doesn't have to go all the way in because we're going to cover it up. Let's see. How's that looking? If you hear the humming in the background, it's my air conditioner. I have a window unit in my craft room here. It is a bit warm today. It's like 80 degrees. It's October 2nd. How about that? This will be posted tomorrow, October 3rd. This is our second of our series every other day video in the month of October. So I'm a little stressed out about it because I don't think I thought it through with ideas of what to do, but we'll get through it. Alright, so then I used mustard seed with the yellow dome. I was going to use squeezed lemonade, but I think that's too light. That's that. Like I said, we're going to cover that up. This is going to be our back piece. So you don't necessarily have to have all the colors in the world for your cardstock. I like to have a lot of black and a lot of white colors. As long as you can match it up or ink it up, you're good to go. Okay. By the magic of television, I've already cut using this die. I just wanted to save some time. Using this die out of white cardstock. This is just 65 pound cardstock from Michael's Recollections. I cut it out of this die, and then I proceeded to use this stamp for the feet, and then I colored them in with my Spectrum Noirs. It's kind of a tedious process. That's why I didn't film it, but if you guys want to see me coloring in the future, there's plenty of videos out there how to color, but I'd be happy to. Just take up a lot of time. Alright, so that's already cut. I think I want to color the edges of this because putting this on there, stark white, a little too much. So I'm just going to take what's left over on here, on the orange one. I'm just going to kind of go around and make these edges a little less stark. All I'm doing is flicking down. I'm not going too far into it. Kind of gives it a vintage look. See that? That's that. Now it blends a little too well. So to counteract that, I already did cut out a black background. Because I'm thinking I got this idea off of Pinterest, guys. Not the whole background, but you'll see, with the hat. The feet with the hat. I'm thinking we'll do something like this. And cock it up. Like, make it cockeyed. But anyway, I'll pre-cut that. Just a regular black piece of cardstock. So we're going to finish this off. We got to cut out the hat, the buckle, and the brim thingy. This is my Spellbinders. It does 2 inches or less. This obviously is more than 2 inches, so we're just going to go like a drunk sailor cut that one. All right. Stick it in the Spellbinders. I love this machine. This thing cuts so good. Cuts a little, and it fits on my desk. It lives on my desk. It's just so cute. I don't know where I got this from. It was years ago. I think it was Michael's down at the Jersey Shore. Actually, we still need that. We got our little hat. Alright, we're done with the black. Let's get some white scrap. I'm just going to rip. I know I'm moving fast, guys. I'm trying to do this fast for y'all. For you guys. Put the little buckle and the other. What do they call that? Rim of the belt of the hat? I don't know, the band of the hat. Alright, now we're done with this. We can fold him up, it up. Oopsies. Hopped across the room. Okay, now I have to find my little pokey tool, which is right here. Poke that guy out. Little belt buckle. That guy out. That's garbage. Okay, so now we want to color this in. So we'll bring back our scrap piece of loose leaf. And I need my glasses for this. Hold on. Alright. We are going to... This is going to go on here like that. So, we're going to color this in. Forgive my nails. I just took them off. The ones I had from Rite Aid, they were on for a little while. They were annoying me. So I took them off. Okay. I love how the purple does a gradient like that. Okay, that's cool. And then let's just do yellow around this real quick. I was just going to say, Taco has not made an appearance here, and then Hunter just started barking. Taco's actually downstairs because Grim, our little kitten, or he's not a kitten, but my little kitty cat is up here. And whenever she's up here, he climbs up on my desk. And I need to film a video. And I wouldn't be able to film it if he's on my desk. So we're using Bearly Art glue. Stick that on there. Get our little buckle. Oh, speaking of Graham, you need to get down, buddy. You need to get down. It's my workspace. You're messing with my workflow. He's like, I don't care. Get off my stuff. All right, I'm going to pause it so I can get him down because he likes to scratch. Oh, maybe I didn't have to. Okay. Moving right along. The thought process is put the hat here. Put that there. Put that there. Stamp something here. I haven't gotten that far in my thought process. We can do trick or treat or happy Halloween. Let's do trick or treat. Okay, we'll do that real quick. Where's my stamping mat? This is an old grungy old mouse pad that I use as a stamping mat now because it helps me with these clear stamps to get a better impression. It's easier than putting it in my version of my Misty, which is called Stamp Perfect, I believe. Alright, let's get this smack dab in the middle the best we can. I think I messed it up, but you get the gist. That's that. Let's glue this hat on. I'm going to smush them down a little bit. Oh, you do it like that. That'll work. I want to cover up that little mess up there. What do you think? Cute, right? All right, now in here they have some stars. I'm thinking we could put a couple stars right there. Thinking I need to use the Memento because I want to color the stars in. I'm going to need 3. 3 looks good to me. Now let's color them in. We'll use the yellow Spectrum Noir. These are the tri-blend Spectrum Noirs. I love them because it takes all the guesswork out of trying to match them up. So you just go dark, middle, light, or vice versa. Win, win, win. Okay. Now, I want this to be straight. Let's get rid of that. We're done with that. This to be straight. This to be crooked. Just like that. All right, give me the glue back. Guys, this is a quick card. The longest part took was coloring in. Are we good with that? It's going to have to be now at this point. So, let's pop this up on. Dimensions. I always say dimensionals. I don't work for Stampin' Up. I used to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator. I actually didn't demonstrate anything. I just did it because I got the super duper discounts. And I love their product. I still use their products. But I just stopped because financially I couldn't afford to do it anymore. Let's do one more down the bottom for good measure. Guys, if I haven't already said so, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a nice comment, please. No negative comments. They will be deleted. It's a waste of your time. Waste of my time. I don't know if it makes people happy to say not so nice stuff to people or what, but I'm trying to keep this a happy channel. I had one person say something not so nice, and then another one of my subscribers stuck up for me, and they kind of went back and forth about it. So I said, you know what, I'm done with that. I appreciate the people sticking up for me, but I don't want you guys to have to come here to do that. So that's why I go through all of the comments and I delete the nasty ones. So don't bother. If that's your deal, there's no point. Let's add some Wink Stella. I love my Wink Stella. I add her to just about every card. If you don't know what Wink Stella is, she does. It's sparkly. Very sparkly. And it doesn't rub off in your hands when you touch it. Where else should we add it? I could add it to the whole card. Let's do the purple and the socks. I have Wink Stella in every color, but I always tend to go for the clear. So, speaking of subscribers, guys, one of our crafty friends who's a subscriber on here, her name is Wanda, is recovering from a surgery, a procedure of some sort. I'm not exactly sure. So let's all keep her in our prayers and wish her a speedy recovery. She's a very sweet woman. She comments on every one of my videos. So, hi Wanda, I hope you're feeling better. Please know you're in my prayers. We're gonna add, this is Jelly Roll, it's white, a white gel pen. And I'm just gonna go whoop. Let's add a little bit to the feet. I'm hoping I'm in frame. You know what, guys? I think we should do. Let's add a spider. Do I have a pen? Let's add a little spider going down her hat. His hat, her hat. Just a straight line. Do an oval for the body. Little circle for the head. I cannot stand spiders. I know they're good for the environment. I just don't like them. They freak me out. Alright guys, that's it. That's our card. Speedy, quick, easy trick-or-treat card. You can put a nice sentiment in here. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And a happy, pleasant comment only. Like I said, I will delete them if it's not. So don't waste your time. And what else? Next video is going to be in 2 days. I'm going to do it every other day. Like I said, the month of October. So I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. So you'll find out when I find out. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And Wanda, honey, feel better. And we'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.